guys, so we're working on the Astray red frame today. It's not going to be like my usual. I kind of already put one of the legs together. I was doing a live video on Instagram. It's on my Instagram. It's Not So Average Builder. Look it up, you can see it. But yeah, so I kind of just threw this thing together to give it a shot, but we're going to speed build this thing. And for right now, I'm probably just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna learn and we're gonna go at it, because I want this to be a, you bought your first real grade, but you're not really sure what to do type of deal, and this is definitely going to get you in. The level of detail on this kit is incredible. It was actually easier to do the Astray than it was the Freedom Gundam, which doesn't make sense because it looks more complicated than the Freedom Gundam did. But yeah, so let's finish this thing out. Here it is, the bottom half of the red frame Astray. I ran out of time, so I wasn't able to finish the rest of it. So this is going to be a two-part video, so look for that. But this is an out-of-the-box build. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I'm not doing anything to this to begin with. Now, once I put it together, I'm going to figure out what parts need to be picked out, what parts need to be, what I want to paint, what I don't want to paint, all of those things. But that's essentially what most people do, is they put them together, and if they leave them, that's great. There is tons of color separation and detail already built into this kit that you don't even have to worry about. But there are things that you want to pick out. Now, I'm going to panel line this. So I think as far as painting goes, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Because if I am going to panel line this and do this as an absolute beginner thing, then I think that panel lining is not going to work. Or painting's not going to work with the panel lining, because then I'd have to paint kind of heavy around those. Who knows, it may work. But pieces like this that you really can't see, they will pop out extraordinarily. So there's still a lot of detail that's left to be picked out, and it's a very simple process. You can buy pre-made panel line washes. You can kind of make your own. It's just really thin down paint that runs into the recesses. So like things like this right here will be picked out, and you won't have to really struggle, and the camera won't have to struggle to pick them up. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do. And yeah, I'll probably do some weathering because I can't leave it clean. It's a samurai. I mean, it comes with a giant sword, so why not? I'm gonna make it look like it's rough, and jagged and beat up. And I think I'll panel line it, and then I might put some damage into it. I'm not really sure. Just kind of stuff to make it pop out and be unique. So yeah, I'm going to end the video right here. Like I said, this is going to be a two-part, so look for the second part where hopefully I can build the rest of it all in one go. I know that the time-lapse makes it look really short, but it was like an hour and a half worth of work. So, but that's all for now, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.